and young minds are molded for the future. It is in the spirit of learning and enlightenment that we ask, if blank were a teacher, what lessons or values would it teach the world and why? So, kuha ka na ng isang rose dyan and then, ipapasok na natin sa question. Yan. Okay.
Parang bad trip si Papa yung mainit ulo niya.
Sabi niya, lagot.
Sabi niya, okay naman na, kumita na.
Oo.
Ba't may ganito pa?
So, pwede na ako,
bakit daw siya tatanungin pa?
pwede na ako consolation, sabi niya. Okay,
Okay.
eto na. Again.
The word is.
The word is betrayal. Okay, the question is, if betrayal were, if betrayal were a teacher, what lessons or values would it teach the world and why? Betrayal.
Chinese daw. Siya ka na daw niya ng China.
Okay, betrayal. Alam mo yung betrayal, me?
Oh, betrayal, alam mo ba?
Alam mo yon?
Pasensya, hindi namin alaman.
Hindi ko din alam. So ikaw ang tinanong, so you have to answer.
Betrayal means parang ano to pagtatraidor.
Yes.
Pagtatraidor.
Pag betray sa'yo, kunwari
Yes,
something na ginawa ka ng masama na hindi mo alam.
Yes.
Yan. Okay.
Go.
Sa tingin mo, ano yung betrayal? Kung teacher man, anong lesson ang iniwan at value sa'yo? Go.
Ano
Go.
mo rin eh. Okay. Betrayal. Tama?
Betrayal or betrayal? Pwede rin yan. Go.
Betrayal at betrayal.
Hindi the prayer, betrayal.
Betrayal nga.
Yan. O, go.
Tanga-tanga mo naman. Ayan, okay na ako sa consolation. Sasagot ko lang ha. Ano? Ha? Thank you.
Ay, si Bakla.
Hindi. Betrayal para sa akin, parang nagtatarantado ka.
Galing.
Pinaplastic ka. Tulad ko, lahat ng kaibigan ko, tarantado din. Tama, di ba? Hindi Betrayal, parang tinatarantado ka, parang, ay, binibigyan kita, hindi naman eh. Tulad sa akin, di ba pangit ako, wala kang pakialam. Thank you.
Thank you so much.
We're a teacher. What lessons or values would it teach the world and why? So, kuha tayo ng word. Ito yung medyo ano talaga, well, nakakakabang part talaga.
Yeah.
Kaya naman tingnan natin kung anong word dyan. Ivory. Ha? Sa loob.
Hipan mo.
Yan.
Ayun, naka-scotch tape pala. Okay. So again, the question is,
Ano ang word mo na nabunot niya? Alright, gratitude ang word na nabunot ni candidate number 2. So if gratitude were a teacher, what lessons or values would it teach the world and why?
If gratitude is a teacher, what lesson
yes,
or value will it teach the world and why? Para po sa akin, ang tanging malalaman o maibibigay natin o value na makukuha natin sa gratitude, ayan ay isa sa mga katangian ng taong marunong magpasalamat. At ang taong marunong magpasalamat ay mas binibigyan ng biyaya ng Panginoon. Maliit man yan o malaki, lagi tayong marunong magpasalamat dahil ang sabi ng ating Panginoon, magiging masaya ang buhay mo kung marunong kang makontento at magpasalamat sa biyaya na binibigay niya. Yun lamang po ang aking direkto na puntong sagutan sa iyong napakagandang katanungan. Salamat po.
Yun.
maraming salamat. Baka naman binubuhat mo yung chan mo.
This is your question?
Hindi, ano ka ba? Ang hirap sa puntog to na idol niya si Big Bird.
Yes.
Oo,
Kaya
Okay.
naman, ang iyong katanungan number 3, bumunot ka muna ng word dito para ready na ha. Tapos i-connect na natin agad. So, Donut, pa-check tayo ng word.
So ready ka na, baby girl?
Yes. Ready na. Mukha lang siyang suplada.
Alam mo,
kasi-
gumanda, actually gumanda
Oo.
na nga siya. Gumanda
Maganda
siya
yung
ngayon.
makeup.
Oo, maganda. Tsaka maganda naman si mama.
Para lang siyang parang...
Eto na,
pagod
baby
ka
girl.
rin.
Oo. You pick the word. to complete the question is ambition.
Ambition. If ambition were a teacher, what lessons or values would it teach the world and why?
Okay, maraming salamat po. Lahat tayong mga tao dito sa ating mundong kinagagalawan ay mayroong ambisyon sa buhay. Depende na lamang po natin kung paano po natin itututo pa rin. Kung magiging mas mataas pa tayong mga ngangarap para matupad natin ang ating ambisyon, o madaraya tayo sa ating kapwa. Ladies and gentlemen, isa lamang po ang lesson na aking natutunan, kaya po ako nagkaroon ng salon. Ang dahan-dahan ko to pa rin ang aking pangarap, dahil yan po at tinuro ng aking guro. Yun lamang po at maraming salamat.
Alright, thank you so much.
Alright, the word chosen. Sige.
Ayan. The word you chose is failure.
Failure ang word na nakuha ni candidate number 5. So if failure, Cassie, this is the question ah. So if failure were a teacher, what lessons or values would it teach the world and why?
Okay, I don't want to prolong my answer because I don't want to end up being out of context in the long run. But panel board of judges, I believe that if a failure were a teacher, it will teach us definitely at the end that the failure is not the opposite of success. It's a lesson that we need to really understand that in order for you to be successful in life, sometimes you need to fail. That failure will definitely give you a lesson. Lesson for you to be strong, and lesson for you to realize the things that you made wrong. And once you have realized those wrongdoings, one thing is for sure, you learn out of it. And once you've learned out of those lessons, at the end, you will be successful. So thank you for that failure. Good evening.
Thank you, candidate number 5. Palok, Manila stands as a beacon of education and intellectual growth, renowned for its university belt where countless dreams take flight and young minds are molded for the future. It is in the spirit of learning and enlightenment that we ask. So get your word, and then kukonek ko siya sa question mo. So she picked the word. Sige, okay lang yan.
Asan na si Ate?
Asan na?
Okay. To complete your question, the word is
Fear. So if fear were a teacher, what lessons or values would it teach the world and why? Again, if fear were a teacher, what lessons or values would it teach the world and why?
Alright, thank you so much for that beautiful question. If fear were a teacher, what is the lesson that it was taught or it was given to us? Once and for all, remember that fear can drown you in a dark river of your life. So the lesson that fear has is to keep going, is to keep improving yourself. Because kung pipiliin mong matakot, hindi mo matutupad ang iyong mga pangarap. Pangarap na kung saan magdadala sa iyo sa tagumpay. Na kung pipiliin mong matakot, hahatakin ka lamang neto pababa. Because as a transgender woman, I once actually fear of joining pageants. However, I overcome it because they were my backbone, my supporters and my friends who taught me that failure is a learning and fear is a motivation for us to keep going and keep learning. Always remember that live as if you will die tomorrow and learn as if you will live forever. Thank you.
Maraming salamat. Si Melinda was once invited to a modeling agency, di ba? Parang back in Dubai. Kaya lang,
kaya yung tayo niya, yung posture, no?
Kaya lang syempre pinurso niya yung study niya. Kasi friend ko to from Sampaloc's Finest yan.
Yes.
Oh. Yes. Good luck to you. Pick your word, tapos bibigay ko sa yung question. Bet mo sa Dubai talaga. Michael Cinco.
Siya, no?
Kinukuha siya dati. Kaya kasama yung pamilya. Ayaw na niya. Ang dami. Alright, your word is?
To complete your question, you pick the word dishonesty.
Oh, dishonesty. Dishonesty.
Dishonesty.
If dishonesty were a teacher, what lessons or values would it teach the world and why?
If dishonesty would be a teacher,
Yes, that's right. Dishonesty.
if dishonesty will be a teacher, I think the best lesson that dishonesty will teach us is to be true to yourself. And being true to yourself makes you the best person that you want to be in this entire life. For I certainly believe, ladies and gentlemen, being true to yourself makes you the best version of you. That is the essence of my answer. Precise and constant. Thank you and good morning.
Thank you so much.
That's it.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
I'll get your word here, Miss Matt, Rika May, and then we'll connect that to the question. So, Ivory.
Okay. You pick the word hypocrisy.
Hypocrisy. Okay.
Hypocrisy.
Ms. Matrika May, if hypocrisy were a teacher, what lessons or values would it teach the world and why? Again, if hypocrisy were a teacher, what lessons or values would it teach the world and why?
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. As a human being, we are entitled and we possess with what we call EGO, ego. And from that ego, of course, if you know something that somebody is above you, is behind you, or somebody mas nakakataas sa'yo, then there comes and it develops what we call the hypocrisy. On my tent, I believe that the best thing that could teach this to the world, that hypocrisy is a kind, of course, of behavior and attitude that will not guarantee you to navigate success. Why? Because that is the opposite side of what we call humility. That in everything that you do in life, then definitely you could not achieve victory if always in the back of your mind, you are a hypocrite person. Believe in this. Remember, tandaan nyo na sa bawat pag-indayog ng mundo, meron at merong ipanganganak na mas magaling sa'yo. Meron at meron taong mas higit sa'yo. Kung laging namumutawi sa iyo ang pagmamayabang at pagka-ipokrita o ipokrito, kailanman hindi mo yon makakamit. Makinig ng mabuti, mga bata. Etong tandaan nyo, we only live once. There's nothing to prove in this world. It's for you to become kind, to be respectful, and above all, to know that you have that worth. But it is not for you to compete who is better than you, because hypocrisy will put you down every now and then. Believe it or not, everything that we have on earth right now are just temporary. The best thing that you could have is definitely to be humble, to be grateful, and to be thankful. And I believe as I end up with this, though all of you is quite noisy, let us know that sometimes to be silent and just to know what your plan inside and balance it with it. Hypocrisy is a kind of natural behavior which just make you insecure, but on the other hand, turn it as an aspiring way. Thank you.
Yan, okay. So, eto na. Your word is inclusivity. Inclusivity.
Inclusivity. So, if inclusivity were a teacher, what lessons or values would it teach the world and why? If inclusivity were a teacher, what lessons or value would it teach the world and why?
Wow. Thank you so much for the very wonderful and interesting question. You know what, ladies and gentlemen? Inclusivity is one thing that we really need in our world. For us to be able to have an equal opportunity, even you are a man, a woman, or a part of LGBT community. Ang isang inclusivity, ang isang bagay na lesson na maituturo ko sa bawat taong nanonood ngayong gabi ay ang pagkakabuklod-buklod ng bawat tao at ang pagkakaisa na magkaroon tayo na pagtatanggapan at pagmamahalan at respeto sa bawat isa. Ayan ang isang bagay na lesson na maiiwan ko po dito sa ating mundo. Because remember, inclusivity and kindness is our universal language na kung saan kayang maintindihan o kayang marinig ng mga bingi, kayang makita ng mga bulag, at kayang bigkasin ng mga pipe. Dahil kung ayan ay gagawin nating positibo sa ating mga buhay, magkakaroon tayo ng panatag at magandang mundo dito sa mundong ibabaw. Magandang gabi po.
Maraming salamat.